Hi everyone, welcome back. I'm here to talk to you about some more empties that I have, 5 to be exact. So starting with 2 toners, a cleanser, moisturizer, and a lip conditioner. So all skincare products. So first of all, let's start with the Clarins Toning Lotion with Chamomile. So for the size 200 milliliter bottle or 6.8 fluid ounces, it's between $20 and $30 depending on where you purchase it. You can't purchase it at Sephora, so that's normally where I get my products, so that's why I don't have a standard price for you right now. It's for normal to dry skin. It's alcohol free, so it's non-drying. And the chamomile scent is soothing and pleasant and calming, but that means it's not the best for those who are trying to avoid fragrance or added fragrance to their skincare. So it comes out as a liquid. I would apply it to my cotton pad after cleansing and wipe down my face. It would help remove any extra makeup before I put on moisturizer. So I enjoyed using this product, but I won't be repurchasing it because I wasn't impressed enough by it, and also, like I said, it's not sold at Sephora, so I'd have to go out of my way to purchase it. So it was nice, it was good, it was pleasant, but not impressive enough for me to go out of my way to go and buy it again. So the next product is another toner, but this one's from Belif. It is the Belif Witch Hazel Herbal Extract Toner. This one is also for dry skin. There's no added fragrance, so that's a huge plus. And it's also free of mineral oil, synthetic preservatives, dyes, and any ingredients that are of animal origin. And the full-size bottle is $28 on Sephora for 200 milliliters, same size as the Clarins. And it comes out, instead of as a complete liquid, it's still liquidy, but it comes out slightly more gel-like. So once you put it on the cotton pad, it comes out as a liquid, but you'll notice it doesn't sink in right away like the Clarins. It'll kind of sit on top for a little bit because it's kind of gel-like. So I would find that I'd have to rub it in with my finger for it to absorb. But then I would apply it all over my face in the same fashion. It claims to be moisturizing and softening, which is accurate. It is moisturizing and softening for the skin. And I would likely repurchase this again once I've used up all the other toners that I bought to try out. But this was definitely a winner, and I would buy it again. Next, we have, this was a deluxe sample that I got from Sephora, the Glow Recipe Blueberry Bounce Gentle Cleanser. It says it's makeup erasing and deep cleansing. The full size is $34 for 160 milliliters or 5.41 ounces. I found this to be a good gentle cleanser on my no makeup days. Claims to double as a makeup remover, but it doesn't do a very good job at that, to be honest. So I don't know why it would call itself a gentle cleanser and also a deep cleansing and makeup erasing cleanser. It is a gentle cleanser, does not do a deep cleanse, does not erase makeup. So I would only use this on my no makeup days. If you do want to remove your makeup, I recommend using a wipe or something before cleansing with this. A wipe or a balm or an oil cleanser before going in and doing a second cleanse with the Glow Recipe Blueberry Bounce Cleanser. It smells slightly of blueberry, but I didn't see any added fragrance on the ingredients list, so this must just be a natural occurrence from the fruit extracts. So that's nice. And I enjoyed using it and would consider purchasing the full size if the price were under $30. So just to me, over $6 per ounce is a bit much for something that's, so gentle and does not actually remove makeup. So moving on to another glow recipe item, the Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Oil-Free Moisturizer. This was also a deluxe sample. The full size is $39 for 60 milliliters or 2 ounces. The full size comes in a beautiful glass bottle, very nice packaging, with a pump, so that's, a plus. It's for all skin types, and it claims to target dryness, redness, fine lines, and wrinkles. I did find that it did a good job combating dryness and redness, but I didn't see it do anything for fine lines or wrinkles, so maybe over a long period of time of using it, but I didn't notice anything when I was using this sample, which lasted me a few weeks actually. The formulation is a lightweight gel that is accurate. It's very light, and if you are looking for something thicker and heavier for the winter, definitely don't go for this and only use it as a serum, especially if you have dry skin. But if you're just looking for something light and pleasant for the summer, this is a good option. It smells very nice. Has a nice sweet watermelon scent, just like watermelon candy. But if you're trying to avoid heavy fragrances in your skincare, maybe avoid this one because it does have a very strong, sweet watermelon fragrance. I will not be repurchasing this, and it's not because I didn't like it. It just didn't do enough for me. It was too lightweight, and the fragrance was too strong. And like I said before, I'm trying to not have too much fragrance, especially in skincare that I leave on my skin, because it could lead to, a reaction later on. The last item that I have is the Aerin Rose Lip Conditioner. This was another deluxe sample that I got. The full size is $30 for 10 milliliters or 0.34 ounces. It is said to be a nourishing lip balm with a calming rose scent infused with magnolia extract and meadow foam sea oil. Sounds very fancy. It's for all skin types, and the formulation is a balm. So I really wanted to like this because, like I said, it sounds amazing in the advertising. Unfortunately, I did not find it to be much of a balm. Instead, it was more like a gooey and sticky paste that you would have to squeeze out of the tube and put on your finger to apply. So it got all sticky on your fingers, sticky on your lips. It was just too sticky and it didn't absorb, which maybe that was the point because it's supposed to be a barrier conditioner that kind of just continues to protect your skin over time rather than moisturizing it per se, more just like protecting it. So depending on what you're looking for, if that's what you're looking for, something that doesn't absorb, that just like stays there, then great, but just be aware it's also very, very sticky and that does not go away. So the way I would use this is I use this as a lip conditioner overnight, and I would put it on right before I went to bed. And as soon as I woke up in the morning, I would feel that my lips were just as sticky as before. So it didn't absorb at all. It stayed right on top, and it was just really sticky and didn't feel comfortable, so I would have to wipe it off in the morning. So I will not be purchasing the full size of this because I didn't enjoy using this product at all. It's not what I was looking for. I was looking for something that would moisturize my lips, absorb, and then I would wake up with nice, healthy, juicy, healthy lips. But this did not do what I was looking for. I think that's all I've got for today, but if there's anything that you'd like me to try, or if you've tried any of these products yourself and you've had a different experience, please share in the comments below. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you guys later.